Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Remy and again I'm trying to fix my Merc. This time I have stuck the hood latch. This will be on the left hand side. And today I want to show you how to easy way to open the hood. So this is Mercedes S-Class 2007 year and this is right hand drive vehicle. In general this is similar to the left hand side driving vehicles. In my situation the left hand hatch stuck. In general this one was popping out, this one not popping out. So the point is like from the front it's not possible to open. I tried to lift one side then kind of get access to the other side, but that's not possible. There is a very simple way. You just have to go take the front wheel. You have to take off this plastic wheel arch cover. This cover is from two parts. The one part is here and up to here, and the another one you just kind of can bend this part over here or just push this down and you can slide this part off. Then there is a few nuts on these bolts, one here, and plastic buttons are here. Take the wheel, remove the plastic cover. You have some long screwdriver and your hood latch, if you can see, is right there. And with the long screwdriver or long stick you have to push the lever on the latch. So now I'm gonna remove the hatch and check what is the reason. I believe there is some loose cable because my hood handle, which is have to pull, is hanging in the halfway. So I believe there is an issue with the wire. So now I'm going to unscrew these two bolts and we'll see the reason. In my case, I can see that the wire is hanging off. It's probably fell off for some reason. I don't know how this happened. So I'll try to install it and see if it will work. So I want you to show the lever which you have to push. If you will have a screwdriver, it's very easy to push. You have to push just this lever and it pops up straight away. In my case, the wire came off. So as you can see, that was very easy to fix the problem. For the video purpose, I want to open this hood latch and to show which side lever you have to push. Okay, my plastic is broken into pieces. So as you can see, you will have to have some hook to push the lever backwards. In general, it's very easy to push. So on the left hand drive, these latches are directed to the different direction. So in general, you have to push with the screw from the passenger side and to pull from the driver's side. So here I will put the video from my phone. How did I push the latch? It's a bit bad quality because I was using it like as a microscope and torch, and you can see everything in the screen, which is way bigger and easier to get the view. So this is like life hack. So guys, if you like it, please support me. Press thumbs up button to subscribe and push the notification bell. See you next video.